Alright, so now good afternoon. Okay, so let us start again with a few more examples of IUPAC nomenclature. Okay, this is IUPAC nomenclature part 2. So look at this structure, what I have written. Okay, so one, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atoms, right? What are the functional group present? What is this functional group? It has carbon on both the sides. This is C. This is CHO is added. This is and double bond. Now in priority order, which is given preference, aldehyde or ketone? It is always aldehyde. So we will number from aldehyde 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have numbered this. The root word is pentane and the word will be al, A-N. Okay, A-N. Or the suffix used for aldehyde is al. So we drop E because A is a vowel and this we are adding prefix. Now I have written again 3 keto. It can also be written as 3 oxo. 3 oxo 1 al. Okay? Okay. Let us go on to the second example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon chain. And at the second carbon chain I have attached CH double bond CH2. Now why did I take this chain? Why not the straight chain? All double and triple bonds be a part of the main chain. The rule says all double and triple bonds are have to be the part of the main chain. So the chain is this, right? But again, lowest local. This is a substituent to the triple bond. Okay. So this and this is getting the same number. Starting and ending same number, but this is closer. So lowest sum rule if you will apply, the numbering will be this 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 4, 3 plus 3, 6. From this end we will number 1, 1 plus 3. Okay, from here it is getting 2 substitute. From here it is getting 3. So this will be Raja. 1 plus 3 plus 3. So that comes out to be 7. So from this side we will number. Okay. The root word will be one triple bond is present. So I and there are 4 carbon atoms. So butyne. Butyne. Okay. Then it is getting one number. So butyne. Now the substituent is ethyl present at the second carbon atom written in front of the root word 2-ethyl bute ene 3 ene and we will drop E because we have Y. Okay? Because we have Y over there. Now again the third example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What all is present over there? What is this? What is this? Yeah. Which is more important? Priority order. This is more important. Alcohol. They should form the ending word. Now numbering should be done in such a way this should get the lowest number. So I have numbered from this end. I have to think twice. Right. So the root word becomes there are 5 carbon atoms pent and double bond is there so pentene. Where is the double bond? Fourth carbon atom. And 4 in 2 odd. Okay? Because double bond has lesser priority than alcohol. In the priority order, alcohol comes before double bond. Okay? And, yes. And there is no prefix for double bond. There is no prefix. So it has to be written in after the root word. Now here, look at this. Just explain. You, okay, so we'll stop here for some time. Everything is paused. Still it is not moving. I am very comfortable. I don't have to do anything. I'm just standing. Okay. Pause and moving everything on its own. Now come here. Now it is clear. Okay. So wait. Wait. Let me check. The connection is weak. Wait just now. Okay. Can we start now? Okay. Come to this one. The fourth example. We have got this. Right? Now see here. What is this tail hanging over here? Okay. This is bond line formula. This is known as bond line formula. Now I'll have a separate class. Next class I will tell you about condensed formula and all. But right now let me expand it. This is carbon atom, this is carbon atom, this is carbon atom. So it will become C here, C here, and C here. Right? And two bonds are there. So this will be CH2. Two bonds are already there. CH2. This is CH2. Okay? Now, this is the side chain and this is the ring compound. This is benzene ring. This benzene has got 6 carbon atoms. The formula for benzene, yes, this is your 6 carbon atom. And what about the side chain? 3 carbon atoms. Yes, one. If this was CH3, CH2, CH3, propane. One hydrogen removed, propyl. Atom, side chain. Okay, I will tell you the rule here. If there is a cyclic compound and a side chain, the one which has got larger number of carbon atoms forms the root word. Here it is 6 carbon atom and here it is 3. So benzene will be the root word because it has 6 carbon atoms. Okay? Alright. So this is going to be at the first carbon atom we have got a propyl group. So this is one propyl benzene. This is one propyl. Correct. Propyl is in benzene. Look here. In C6H6, one hydrogen has been replaced by propyl. Okay. Now the next structure, the fifth one. One, two, three, four, five carbon atoms. Five carbon atoms. Okay. Yes, one, two, three, four, Okay? Alright, just wait, huh? Just wait. Can you see the structure now? Okay. We have five carbon atoms. The fifth one you will copy down. We have five carbon atoms in a chain. Then what I have numbered is the fifth carbon atom is having what? COH group, right? This carbon atom, COH group, which is, and this one is CH3 and that one is CHO. What is CHO? What is CHO group? Aldehyde. This is methyl. This is carboxylic acid. Okay. Now see the chain which I have chosen, is it correct or it is wrong? Our chain, our chain carbon containing functional groups. Correct. The largest number of carbon containing functional group. Both of them have to be a part of the main chain. Then in priority order, is COH group coming first or CHO is coming first? COH. So that will be carbon atom number 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, and then 5. Right? And methyl group will be the subsequent. So our root word for 5 carbon atom is going to be pentane. It will be pentane 1 oic acid. It will be pentane, we'll drop E because of vowel O. Pentan 1 oic acid. Okay? Then what are the, this is methyl, this is also methyl. At, correct, dimethyl. At 2 and 4 locants. And what about this? For this we will add, yes, less important functional group. It is formyl. Why did I write formyl first and methyl? Because dimethyl means alphabetical order. Okay? So 5 diformyl, 2,4 dimethyl, pentan, 1 oic acid. What happened? Now listen to me. Di and tri are not name of the alkyl groups. They are telling you number of alkyl groups. The name has to be an alpha. Yes, you consider M. Okay, they are name. Di is telling you two. Okay, all right. Now let us go on to the sixth one. Sixth one has got 7 carbon atoms in a chain. It has got 7 carbon atoms in a chain. And see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it has 1 methyl group, 2 methyl group, 3 methyl group, and 4 methyl group. So it will be tetramethyl. And what is the root word? Hept. Heptane. Heptane. Okay. Why I have now apply lowest sum rule. From this side, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 methyl groups are there, na? And here 1, 2, 3, 4. Both are same. You can number from here. You can here. Okay. So it will be 3, comma 4, 5. 3, 4, 4, 5 hyphen. Then tetramethyl heptane. 3, comma 4, 5 tetramethyl heptane. Okay. All right. So the next one will be, this is the structure. This is not OH, this is OME, right? OME. Now I will not answer. My sound is paused. Okay. All right. Look here. This is the benzene ring. This is aldehyde group. This is OH group. And this is OMe stands for methyl. So OCH3 is methoxy group. Okay. OCH3. See, if it is only CH3, then it is going to be methyl. If it is OCH3 methoxy, OC2, it is ethoxy. OC2H5, then it will become ethoxy. Okay? Yes. Now what is this O? This is ether. It is methyl will have carbon here and it will have carbon here. So this is your ether. Okay? ROR. Okay, but you don't need that rule here just now. That is for straight chain. I will tell you. Now come here. This is aldehyde. This is alcohol. This is methoxy. Like methyl, methoxy is also treated as substituent. It is, ethers are very weak functional group. Alcohol and aldehyde, which is stronger? Aldehyde or alcohol? Aldehyde. So aldehyde will be given carbon atom number 1. Okay. This will be given carbon atom number 1. Now look at again lowest sum rule. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be 1 plus 3 plus 4. What will that be equal to? 8. It is equal to 8. If I number from this side, it will come more. It will come more because distance is more. Okay? Now write the name. See here. Hydroxy. Why I have written hydroxy, Arshal? Correct. You are asking where we will use hydroxy. Here we will use hydroxy because we have one. The other one is stronger. Okay. All right. So our root word will be benzene. Ending word will be al because of aldehyde. It is present at carbon atom number 1. So benzene 1 al. E I have dropped over there. Then 4 hydroxy, 3 methoxy because alphabetically H comes before M. Okay. All right. So we have discussed 7 structures and we tried naming them also. Okay. All right. Now look here. See, cannot cover all the rules here. Now our next class will be bond line formula and condensed formula. This is known as condensed formula. You are condensing all the bonds at the carbon atom. But bond line formula, we can also bond line formula and we can name them also. So in our next class, we will be doing this. Hope the concept of IUPAC nomenclature is somewhat clear to you. Okay?